a beautiful morning here in North Carolina. I've got a little project that I'm going to do. I brought the sawmill out of the shop, got the lasers working on it and everything, and I've got it brought out here where I normally set it. I'm going to put the jack stands down. I've got some feet I'm going to put into those because the ground is so soggy wet. I don't know how much you guys have had any rain this week, but I was thinking about building an ark. I mean, we've had some rain, Jack. But what my plan is today is I am going to take my 7-foot level and my little torpedo level, and I am going to level this bed up using levels. Then I'm going to come back behind with my laser and check and see how things are. So that's the plan for today. So let's get busy, and I'm interested to see the results of this. Let's put some little blocks in under here. Now I'm going to check it front to back if I can find my level. Just knowing the grade of where I've set this, I know it's pretty close to level front to back. But side to side, that's where it needs some serious adjustment. Alright, so that's got the side by sides. Now let's see where we're at over here. Looks like we're low on the front. We're getting closer. I got the laser set up, the receiver here. This thing's self-leveling, so all I had to do is just put it on the tripod. So, put this here, and I'm going to set it to micro, where it's going to be pretty much, I got to be spot on. All right, so right there we're spot on. And there's a little, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a little bubble indicator right there that tells me when I'm holding the stick straight up and down, so that helps me know if I'm right. And that is perfectly level. Now, here in the middle bunks, let's see what we got. That is spot on. Check the other side. That is spot on. Now the big test. How are we back here at the back? spot on. This is showing, maybe I'm not level. Yeah, that's a frog hair high with the torpedo level. I just didn't get that level with the levels. I'm gonna get it level with the level first and then check it with the laser. Now that's showing perfectly level with the level. Now let's check it with the laser. Spot on. Well, guys, I just confirmed something for me. This is one of the top of the line lasers here, so it doesn't lie. And I've got the receiver, I don't know if you can see, I've got it set to micro. So I have confirmed to myself that I can level the bed of this sawmill using a 7-foot level and a torpedo level perfectly. Absolutely perfect. So if all you have access to is a level, it appears to me that you can make your bed just as accurate as anybody that's using a laser. Or that's my conclusion on the matter. So this thing's ready to make some sawdust. It's not going to happen today, but tomorrow, good Lord willing, yeah, we're going to make some sawdust.